Hello, and welcome to the debut episode of The Inn, your go-to source for all things Normandy. I'm Kennedy Davis.
And I'm Raygan Clark. And this episode has a focus on the amazing back-to-school activities that we had here in Normandy Schools Collaborative.
Wow, Raygan, that was great, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
It was awesome to see so many smiling and excited faces as our students and parents got to know our dedicated teachers. It's clear that we're all ready for such an exciting and amazing school year.
Absolutely, Kennedy. And speaking of excitement, the first day of school was nothing short of amazing. You just kind of had to be there.
Whether it was our youngest scholars stepping into school for the very first time or our high school seniors beginning their final year, the first day was filled with joy, anticipation, and the promise of new beginnings.
And, we can't forget about all of the support from our community, including Beyond the Backpack, which provided our families with the tools and services they needed to start the year strong.
So, we've let everyone know about how much fun preparing for the first week of school has been, but let's let the kids tell us themselves. I am at Normandy High School. This is Kennedy Davis, and I'm here with a couple of students just to talk to them about the beginning of the school year. What are your names?
Letitia. Jordan.
Awesome, it's nice to meet you guys. What grade are you?
I'm a senior.
Lovely, lovely.
Okay.
What are you guys most excited about for your senior year?
I'm excited about graduation and prom. That's about it.
Yeah, have you already started picking out prom dresses or getting together some colors?
Yeah, I've been thinking about some ideas.
That's awesome. I'm really excited for you.
Thank you.
What about you?
Just like doing senior things, being a senior, graduating, getting up out of school.
Yeah, do you have some plans for after school?
Like after I graduate?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to be a real estate agent.
That's awesome. That is so cool. Well, thank you guys so much. I really, really wish you both the best in your senior year, and I'm sure you will have a great time. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
I am here with Ms. Smith at Normandy Early Learning Center. And how long have you been in the district?
10 years.
10 years. That is a long time. What are you most excited about this school year?
I am most excited about watching the kids grow and learn and become good learners.
And then how many kids do you have in your class currently?
Right now we have 9.
9?
Mm-hmm.
They look like they're having a good time already. Okay, so from the beginning of pre-K to the end, what area do you see your students developing the most?
Social emotional skills. We work a lot on teaching them calm down techniques and managing their emotions and not needing teacher direction for transitions.
We're gonna wish you a fantastic 2024-25 school year, and back to you, Kennedy.
All right. Hello, we are at Barack Obama, and we are going to be talking to some students about how they are enjoying the new school year so far. I'm Kennedy, and I am here with
Nathan Cooper.
Nathan Cooper, and you are in 5th grade. Awesome, Nathan. It's so nice to meet you. So we just want to know, how have you been enjoying the new school year so far?
Good.
It's good? What's your favorite thing about being back at school?
Getting to meet my friends and my new teacher.
You like your new teacher? Awesome, awesome. You feel like this year is going to be super fun?
Mm-hmm.
Great. Well, thank you so much for talking to us, Nathan. You have a great school year. And we are interviewing someone else. Again, I'm Kennedy Davis, and what's your name?
Sanaya Cotton.
Sanaya Cotton. Nice to meet you, Sanaya. You're in 5th grade as well?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. So how are you enjoying the new school year so far?
It's good.
It's good? And what's your favorite thing about being back in school?
Probably learning and meeting new friends and teachers.
That's awesome. Have you learned anything cool yet this year?
Yes.
Like what?
I learned how to multiply big numbers easily.
That's awesome. That is so cool. Well, thank you so much for speaking with us. And we at Normandy News hope you have the best year ever. Thank you, Sanaya.
You're welcome.
Back to you, Raygan.
We are here at Normandy Early Learning Center, and with us we have, what's your name?
Kimura,
We have Kimura. And what grade are you in, Kimura?
kindergarten.
Kindergarten. Okay. What are you most excited about this school year?
The friends.
Your friends? Do you have a favorite subject that you're learning?
Learning art.
Art? You like art? Do you go to art a lot?
Yes.
Okay, and we're gonna wish you a very good school year, and I hope you get to continue to make art. Wait for the camera. I'm Raygan here at Normandy Middle School at Lucas Crossing, and here I have
Joshua,
Joshua. What grade are you in, Joshua?
7,
7th grade. Okay. And what are you most excited about this school year?
to meet new teachers.
Okay. Do you have a favorite teacher currently?
Yeah, Miss Hakika.
Okay. And what is your favorite subject?
Math.
You good at math?
No, I just like it.
Okay, and we wish you the best possible school year. And what were you doing when we came and got you?
I was eating lunch.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go back to lunch now.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Is this a croissant? That is a croissant. Yeah.
Where'd you get this from?
I got it from Five Below. Have you?
Was it below $5?
It wasn't about $5. It was $5.55.
That's weird.
Five Above, really.
That's suspicious.
Yeah, false advertisement. I've been telling you. We're back. Okay, that is exactly what makes Normandy special, Raygan. The way that the entire community comes together to support every student and make sure that they have every single thing that they need to succeed.
And you know, that's a wrap on our first episode of The End, but stay tuned throughout the school year. We will be bringing you stories that highlight everything that's going on in Normandy.
Exactly, just like Raygan said. Thank you so much for joining us, and stay tuned for more Normandy news, and be sure to follow us on social media. Here is to the best 2024 to 2025 school year.